This is to the GW, I believe, and yep, you can see those flakes of snow flying there. It's all coming to town. Look how slow the traffic is moving here. That's giving you a little sample of things to come for us here in the tri-state, especially through the morning and into the early afternoon. After that, it's going to shut down here. But take a look at the radar here. Here's Fox 5 Sky Guardian 3D, and it's taking a little time for it to arrive, but pretty much on cue. Right around 8 o'clock is what we were talking about for it to come into at least the city. It's been working its way through New Jersey, but it takes a little time for it to come in here and do what it's got to do, and it is going to do it rather quickly. So from 8 o'clock until noon, that's when it picks up big time for you, and then shortly thereafter, say around 1 to 2 o'clock, it starts to shut down. So it's not here for long at all. We're only talking about maybe a 4 to 5 hour stretch, but there will be some moderate, maybe even some heavier blasts of snow coming through at that time. So it's got to do a lot of work in a short period of time, because by this afternoon, it's out of here, and then the colder, drier air will follow it up and freeze it all on the ground level. So if you haven't had a chance to move it, get it out of the driveways, get it off the sidewalks, it's going to be stuck there for a while. If you haven't had a chance to treat the ground, yeah, it's going to be stuck there because we're going into a deep freeze after this snow comes through here. So keep that in mind. Make sure you clean up what you need to clean up immediately here later on this afternoon, this evening. All right, so we have a winter weather advisory in effect for the majority of the tri-state. The warnings are back down closer to Philly. That's where they're more likely to see something in the neighborhood of 6 inches of snow there, 4 to 6 inches there. Common, but for us, it's around 2 to 4 inches that we get. And keep in mind, the streets that are well-traveled, they don't fare so bad in these more minor storms like this, but the roads less traveled, the secondary and tertiary roads, are the ones that will take a beating from a storm like this, because it's going to come out there, lay it down, and then it freezes on you. Now, your temps today will come down to around the freezing mark, hold steady, and then really start to drop off here later tonight as we drop our lows tonight down to 23 degrees for a low tomorrow morning. That is a chilly temperature for you there. 31 is your high tomorrow. In fact, we stay in that deep freeze for you Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's not till Saturday that we come out of it. And so if you've got, again, snow and ice on the ground, be ready for it to stick around if you haven't gotten rid of it by tomorrow morning. So keep that in mind. All right, that is your forecast. Let's get you on.
You are driving northbound past the Manhattan Bridge. An accident blocks the lane near LIE. The bridge goes westbound by Whiteham Boulevard that has one lane blocked. And you also have kilometers with 17 northbound by Ridgewood Avenue. An accident there blocks the lane there. As far as the barriers, you don't have anything to worry about. Their traffic moving fine here to the Kew Gardens interchange. Trains running on the
Let's go back to the Queensboro Bridge, and you said that's all snow?
It just moved in. Yeah, wow. The bridge is there. Actually, can we put it on the grand screen? I'll just show you where the bridge is. It's just tough to see.
Is this the one that we look at from the north?
That's the one that's very cool. They're part of that building, and you can see the 59th Street Bridge. I wish I could point it out to you over in front of the camera there. But you can see on the right side, it's the bridge. Right here. This is the bridge right there. And here the car's coming off the bridge there. So it's pretty much all.
How far is the camera from the bridge?
Oh, I don't know if it's really
Can you see it?
Yeah, no, it's really close.
All right, it's here. Get ready for it. We got to be ready. Thank you.
All right, Mike, it's 15 minutes early. Thank you very much. I was waiting for 8 o'clock.
All right, let's do good. Hey, oh, look at this. The West Village. It is coming down. Here it is.
All right, as promised. Thank you, my boy.
He did say 8-ish, okay?
He did?
It doesn't work that way. The snow will start at 8:01. They always say around.
That's right. Okay, thank you for listening. I appreciate that.
Well done, Mike. Here it is flooding it out. New Jersey, all over the place.
All right, it's good football weather, right? When you see the snow?
I live to watch it on television when it's snowing. Where's Duke? Where's Boy Scout?
I know it's no longer in the NFL this week. I mean, it was amazing. With me now, David Nelson of the New York Jets. And David, you have 4 catches in the win over the Raiders on Sunday. You guys are 6 and 7. A game out of that final.
I don't know, 40 minutes of the week. Does it do justice to what actually happened?
Sure. Threat to some extent to Kim's authority.
CBS News consultant Bob Carlin has traveled to North Korea 25 times and was an analyst for the CIA.
Kim Jong-un could not afford to have anybody around him who seemed to be even approaching his level of power or authority.
When we visited North Korea earlier this year, we saw the dramatic, breathless devotion to Kim Jong-un on display nearly everywhere we went. John, Kim Jong-un's uncle, was often pictured close to the great leader's unofficial North Korean propaganda documentary, which once showed Jong in a number of scenes, has now been re-edited, and Jong has been deleted.
I wasn't surprised that we were showing the door. I was surprised that it was so theatrical.
North Korea is so secretive, it's known as the Hermit Kingdom, and this high-profile purge from power has been a tantalizing glimpse of internal politics, and is another sign that
as you can see, there's a major cold front. We're in the center. Very, very deadly storm. It will be snowing a lot. It will be moderate snow to heavier snow after like morning, like after morning, like what I'm saying. This is the Chase Stormer, Neo Gonzalez. We already got it. This is what happened in West Virginia. This is the West Virginia storm that hit here. But then when it hit New York, it started snowing but it was snowing a lot. Right now you can see it's snowing very, 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 very hard. Now I got something to this that we're in the center of cold front Sandy. This is not Hurricane Sandy. This is cold front. It's like I'm in West Virginia and I'm recording this video. I had to say that the planes are working. You can hear them. They're working. There's a lot of schools that are closed in New Jersey, and I know for sure my friend is tight. Right now my Neo Gonzalez is in New Jersey. My cousin, which is from the family, he's sleeping there, and Didi Carmen, which is my grandmother. But we have this major storm. And I know for sure Sunday wasn't a major storm. That's what the guy said, that it's not going to be a major storm on Monday and Sunday, but it will be a major storm on the other next. But this is going to be a very, very fast storm. This is a very, 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 very cold day today. Right now, cold front Sandy is now putting us to the center, and we're already in the centers now. It's stronger now. Now they're saying the news that hurricanes. Cold front Sandy is now turned into super cold front typhoon. And I'm not playing around, guys. Cold front Sandy is now no more cold front Sandy, and I'm telling you guys, it's right now super cold front typhoon. There's a lot of warnings. You have to watch it. Philadelphia, I'm trying to chase the storm, but that's gonna be a very, very more high. This is gonna be the same thing. The other side is weak. Here's is strong, and you can see it's snowing a lot. See, this is all these snows falling. It's becoming a winter wonderland. I know for sure my brother is gonna be tight. He doesn't have the Samsung to record this weather. And this cotton pebbles from falling. Snowing a lot. I'm going to see if there's a warning ahead. I'm going to show you in the news.
Back in shortly and getting ready to go out just to plow snow.
On a day like today, the priority is snow, not trash, right? You might have to cancel the trash.
Oh, yeah, we'll probably cancel it. I expect that the most we'll get out of collection is maybe for an hour or two this morning. And then about probably around 9 to 10.
See these guys? The schools are closed. You can see this is a very strong storm. Super cold front Sandy is now called super cold front typhoon. Now it's become stronger. You can't tell because it's white here. It's like.
Why don't you see the sanitation workers on the back of the trucks anymore? Remember they used to hang off the back of the trucks?
Right now it's about to be 8 o'clock. Can't see. It's about to be 8 o'clock. And when it's 8 o'clock, it will be more worse. It will be more heavy snow. I'll be showing you. It will be concluded on this video because we will be having a major storm. Right now, we're in the center of cold front, which is very deadly. It's worse than Philadelphia. That center is more stronger than our center from New York. So now you can see all these schools are closed. See, it's all that snow. See, this is a major storm. You can tell all that snow is falling. You see nothing at all. It's like foggy today. So I hope you guys like this video, and bye. And we will be checking look, see? All that snow is falling. I hope you guys like this video to be concluded because we will see what's gonna happen more. We will show you the aftermath of the storm. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and bye.